Hello and welcome to the very first hands-on implementation of machine learning model. In next couple of videos, we will try to understand the fundamental, of machine learning model. Our main agenda will be to implement polynomial linear regression model on a single dimensional data set. So what I mean to say by this, we will create some synthetic data, right? As you can see, we will create some synthetic data. We will create some x1, x2, x3, and we will use this data to to pass from some function, and for this purpose we will use sine function, and we will create another matrix which will be y1. Every element of matrix y would be the sine function valued of every element of x. And then after that, what we will do, we will create some Gaussian random noise function of zero mean and some standard deviation, and we will add y, means each element of y matrix will be added each element of this Gaussian random noise variable, and this way we will create t, right? So for training purpose of this model, we will have two different matrices. One is x1 and one is t. We will call it x and we will call it t. Once we are having this, what we will try to understand, we will implement some logics and some methods in Python to create basis function, to create model itself, to create training unknown coefficient matrix which is w, and we will at the same time we will create some function to create phi value of x. Once we are ready with this all the things, what we will do, we will create a model as you can see here, and we will specifically create a polynomial linear regression model, and basis function of this model would be x raised to the power j. This is what our understanding it. So once we are ready with this model and all these functions, what we will do, we will again use the same x and t to draw, to analyze how our synthetic data is have relationship between each other. So very first thing we will do, we will create some scattering and some plotting diagram between x, because we are using sine function. This is how we will get, means some sort of sine scattering diagram. And at the same time, on the same graph, we will draw function between x and y. As we can see, x and y, the relationship between x and y is directly sine. So if we will draw plot diagram, this is what we will get. Now once we have model, our model ready and everything ready with us, what we will do, we will use again the same input data which is x. We will give each element of this x, means x1, x2, x3 to our model which we have created here, and we will create another matrix which is model output m1, m2, m3, and so on, mn for each xn, right? And what we will do, we will draw the we will again plot the matrix m with respect to x, to just get to know how our model is performing. So after getting it, what we will see how our model is performing. So this would be model value, this would be original function value. So this is what our understanding. We will try to understand what is overfitting, how order of the model is playing a vital role while implementing some machine learning models, and how we can choose optimized value of order of the polynomial. So this is what we will do in our next couple of videos. So let's see, I hope you will try to understand by your own. So for this learning purpose, you will not only get to know the basic fundamentals of machine learning, but also you will get to know how to create functionalities and code on Python. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in next video.